and it's happening super randomly and during a pandemic. Feel sweaty and gross. Hello and welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a weird one. I just woke up and we're moving out of my college apartment today. I'm going to go shower and get ready and then we'll talk more about what exactly I'm doing today. Now that I'm ready, I thought I could catch you up on what is happening and what's going on today in this little Corona series. I did not think I was gonna make a series out of this, but kind of turned into one without expecting it to be. I'm moving out of my apartment. I've literally only lived here for 2 quarters, but it does not make sense for me to pay rent in Santa Cruz when I'm able to live at home, and literally all my classes are online, so there's no reason for me to be in Santa Cruz. We're moving out. I have a little pack of what I'm bringing, and I gotta take you through what we're gonna do because I honestly don't know how much I'm gonna be able to vlog this process because it's gonna be pretty intense. Before I left, I packed some of my things. If you guys saw my last vlog, if you haven't, it was just me packing and just everything that happened before we found out that we were gonna be having an online 3 weeks. So before it was 6 months. I still left a good amount of stuff, even though I packed like a hoarder. Only me and my dad are going, and basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be packing stuff and then he's gonna be taking it packed and putting it into the car. I live on the 4th floor, so he's gonna go like up and down. I'm probably gonna go up and down too, but I also just have to do a lot of packing because like my tapestry is up on the wall. My stuff is in the kitchen like drawers randomly because we left really abruptly, so like my stuff is all around the drawers randomly. My desk is full. After I like take off my bed sheets, find all my clothes, check under the bed. We also have to like make sure it's like clean and like there's no holes in the wall or anything, so we're gonna bring like the thing to clean up holes in the wall, all things like that, because like this is like moving out. This is like the moving out we did in spring last year, but it's happening now and it's happening super randomly and during a pandemic, which is why the things I'm packing, I'm bringing these like laundry baskets because I can just like put stuff in them and then I can sort the stuff once I get home, but it's more about just like getting everything out of there. And then in here I have hand sanitizer, a charger I have to return to my roommate, my key, and Clorox wipes. I think what else we're gonna be bringing is gloves. My dad's trying to find those, and masks. I know people are really, I know wearing masks is super controversial. People are like, you don't need to be doing that as a general public. But the reason I'm being so precautious about this whole thing, and I'm actually really scared about moving out, I don't want to risk anyone's health. And just because there are like 6 people living in an apartment, we really don't know. It could come from anywhere. Like there's no tracking it down. Is just safer. And I don't even think they're the masks that everyone wants. I'm pretty sure they're just like the masks my dad uses when he cleans the garage because like the dust picks up and then like all like, I don't know how asthma works exactly. Yeah, still pretty upset. I know this is like such a silly thing, but I am pretty upset that I never got to do my apartment tour or my dorm tour because my apartment and my dorm were so cute this year. So I'm gonna do like a little empty version for you guys in this vlog just because I know Santa Cruz decisions are coming out right now, even though there is no tours of Santa Cruz, so I may as well show you what my dorm and apartment look like. Okay, cool. I'm now in the car, ready to leave. We switched to phone mode just because it doesn't make sense to move my camera as much as I'd like to because quality, it ain't happening. So yeah, everything's packed up. I mean like what we're bringing, and now we're gonna get going.
I got pretty like a girl. He got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water. Eating like I'm underworld. My tattoos and Shibuya. Police think I'm of the underworld. I've treated a nigga like he 12. You looking up to me and talking down. See, I am the big man. Level I am. With the drone cam and the pink like Killer Cam. I wanna stick up so close, I'm on that kill. On your lower back, yeah, that's good. Take a roll of eyes in the skull. Ride, when you ride.
If you guys ever wanted a room tour, I just had a small double, so I had top bunk, but we switched every quarter. We had more posters here, but like Nisha came and left her stuff, like took her stuff. We originally had like 1 drawers here, but like this was like the layout of the room. My stuff's obviously still up because I have not moved it all out yet. Those are all stuff that she found under the bed to return to me. Or do a painting, but there's only 1 left because she took hers home. Ah!
27. I did playing off Walkman. It's a code, not a click. On it, put a cup, activist. That's a double edge, just a knife. And I don't like to fight, cause I'm fighting. Revenge in the air makes my lungs sick. Chopping the sky like a fun trick. Clips on clips like Mike. It's really you. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their house. It's no crime for the well. Whole team diamonds is brown.
I pretty much packed everything too. That reminds me, this is my chair. I have to put this back in my room. But bathroom-wise, everything's done. All that's left is just taking things from the kitchen and bringing them down. Empty, back to its original state, as close as I could get it. I'm gonna close and lock the door soon. But that's the end of this. Bye-bye room. Wow. Living room area. Kitchen, I had to take those painting downs, but yeah, kitchen area. There were tons of cupboards and stuff. And then we had a really cool balcony. We were 4th floor, so we were on the top. That's like a thing where you can like put like vacuum and stuff, like a storage closet. I don't think I had anything over here. Rooms, there's 2 doubles, 2 singles. You already saw my room. I'm about to close the door. Bathroom area, and then toilet and the shower were separate. But I'm basically done. This is the last of my stuff. Feeling sweaty and gross. Woo! Bye-bye. We're officially done. I'm gonna see it, but I'm never gonna be like, oh no, I can't, like that walk up here. I'm not gonna do that again to go to my apartment after class. All my classes will be online. They'll only walk downstairs from just Lynn's room to my room.
And that's all her stuff in the bag.
Yeah, next time I'll see all this stuff in one place will be my off-campus apartment next year. But done living on campus.
Okay, bye-bye. Another phase of life over.
Both sides like Chanel. Pockets up. They can't hold myself on. They ban my visa. My Amex and MasterCard. I got no money and it's all cash. I got 2 bags and they all collapsed. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards in my baby boy. I'm blazing the cash on unknown. I meet my baby boy, blazing the dash, count money at home.
Alrighty, so we're stopped at Walmart right now to pick up some groceries just because, like, if we're here, may as well just be done with all errands for a bit. All the stuff is in the car. I think when we go home, we're gonna put in the garage and then slowly bring things inside because I don't need everything and, like, there's just so much stuff. That's so crazy. I mentioned that this is, like, my last time living on campus. I got 2 years guaranteed housing. That's, like, the standard. Everyone gets 2 years guaranteed, but don't be fooled. Yeah, with the housing crisis and everything, not everyone gets 2 years. I was really lucky to actually get those 2 years, but I will obviously not get housing next year on campus. I'll be living off campus. Me and my housemates have already started looking. We're pretty sure on a couple places. I don't know. That's like a whole situation, and then we're moving in June, July, depending on how this whole coronavirus situation plays out. But I think our lease starts in June because I'm going to be doing summer session in July. If it's online or it's in person, that's the plan. I refuse to edit my sophomore year montage. If you follow me on Instagram, I make like yearly montages. I refuse to edit it till summer just because I'm just in denial and I don't want to make myself cry at home alone. So it's so surreal this is happening. Like, I'm outside Walmart right now and people are wearing full-on masks, kind of like I was, but like covering their entire face to buy groceries. And like, that's just so crazy to me. Everything is so crazy right now, guys. I just emptied every single thing into the garage. This is everything. I have 4 laundry baskets, which is really tragic because I know the rest of my family's probably going to want their baskets back. But until I organize this, they're not going to get them. And then I have my whole laundry hamper full of stuff, bedding and stuff, these lights, these paintings over here, this, and then this huge suitcase, which is really big and I can barely move it by like pushing it, let alone picking it up. So this is gonna be fun to deal with. I've decided I'm done packing for the day. I'm just gonna start doing that tomorrow. I'm not gonna vlog it because it's probably be really boring, but I am gonna be redoing my room and redoing my closet. So I will have those videos. I'm feeling kind of gross and sweaty and just like, after all, touching all that, I want to go shower, so I'm gonna get a shower. This is like the second shower of the vlog within 12 hours, but I have now showered. I am back home. I'm wearing my Google shirt and my Cactus Christmas pajamas, and I am ready to do nothing for the rest of the day. Pour myself a glass of water. Got some good old emergency that one of my housemates gave me before we moved out. Shout out to you, Priya. Never had emergency before, so this is kind of gross, but it tastes like orange juice, but wrong. But I'm gonna drink this. Rather safe than sorry. Stay safe. Wash your hands right now. Because you watch this at this exact point, you must wash your hands and drink a glass of water and comment down below that you did so, and then I will Venmo you 0.00 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon in another one.